Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 amazing tweaks that will boost the response rate of several features on your Windows 11 device. These tweaks work on all versions including 22H2 and 23H2. So without further ado, let's get started. The first tweak option is increase desktop menu response rate. First, we will reduce the delay in displaying desktop menus when you right click. For example, when I right click on my desktop and try to access the view options or the sort by options, you get to see the response time is very slow. If you notice a lag when accessing submenus, this tweak will speed things up. Here is how to do it. Open your Windows search and type registry. Then click on registry editor. Click yes to open it. And then navigate your way through HK current user. And then double clicking on the control panel in the expanded list. And then under the control panel, search for desktop and then click on it. And at the right-handed menu, search for menu show delay. Once you get to see the menu show delay, double click on it and you get to see the default value data is 400. Set it to 0 and click OK. After you are done setting the menu show delay value to 0, you can either restart your PC or restart the Windows Explorer for the effect to take place. And then to restart your Windows Explorer, just right click on the Explorer on your taskbar or open Windows Explorer, and then right click again on the taskbar and then open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer. Right click on the Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now, when you right click on your desktop, menus should appear instantly, improving your overall user experience. The next tweak option is increase monitor refresh rate. Next, we will improve your display performance by increasing the monitor refresh rate, especially useful for gaming monitors. Here is what to do. Right click on the Windows icon on the taskbar and select Settings. Go to System and then Display. Scroll down to Advanced Display. If you have multiple displays, select the correct one. And under the Choose a refresh rate, pick a higher rate for smoother motion. However, keep in mind that the higher the refresh rate, the more power it consumes, so ensure your system can handle it. For my system, I only have 60 Hz available. If you have other options, make sure you don't jump straight to the higher rate. Try moving from 60 Hz to 90 Hz first and see which one works best for you. The last tweak is update graphic drivers. Lastly, ensure your graphic drivers are up to date, as outdated or corrupted drivers can cause performance issues. Here is what to do. Right click on your Windows icon and then select Device Manager. Expand your display adapters and right click on your graphic card. Then you click on Update Driver. Then you choose Search automatically for drivers to get the latest updates if you are connected to the internet. As you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alternatively, you can manually download drivers from the manufacturer's website. Once updated, your system will run much more smoothly. And to do so, just open your browser and then search the name of your graphics card. So I'm using Intel HD graphics. So after typing the name of your graphics card, you add download to it, then you hit enter on your keyboard. And as you can see, I will just have to click on the first link as it directs me to my manufacturer's website, and then scroll down. As you can see, here is my graphics card and I'll just click on download. That's it for today, guys. After applying these 3 tweaks, your Windows 11 should respond faster. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.